What? You got 2 stims there, buddy. Look what I'm
you can't even drop them either.
Look what I'm
That's so much better. I got an armor box as well.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's gonna help us with stims, Quill. Look. Quill.
Knocked one on me.
One's at the back.
One's gonna push in the
I'm
side.
coming back in, so I'm just gonna land.
No, damn, no! He's still in the fucking corner as well.
Oh, there's one down here.
Sustaining fire.
Oh my god.
Surgeons will be gone.
It's trash. No one can fucking kill him. He's that easy to fucking kill. God, I didn't zigzagging. The one in front of you somewhere, Michael, yeah. I'll call it in straight away because Cameron's quite far.
Yeah, his UAV's about to run out of zone.
No, when his is run out, I'll call him.
Allied UAV over.
There you go.
Hunt them down. 25.
Target confirmed.
Cracked. Knocked one.
Sustaining fire.
Enemy soldiers alive.
I need his... No.
The fuck was that from?
Under fire.
Teammates over here on top.
Good thing I have advised.
That's why they got on me. Right, yeah, he's cracked.
Threat down.
He's gonna pick up G.
Don't touch my Quill.
Ah, it's gonna touch me, it's gonna touch me. Leave me alone. I'm going as fast. Precision, that shit.
Tellement bien optimisé ce jeu.
No, dude. Okay, yeah, I'm getting rid of the sten, dude. Every fucking gun I'm...
Look at the even go.